students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we have to calculate Laspeyres method, Poiseuille's method or Fisher's method. Here statement is given. Instead of base year, price and quantity, quantity is not given, rather total expenditure is given and we have to calculate quantity. Similarly in current year prices are not given, rather total expenditure is given. So first of all, how this base year quantity and current year price can be calculated? Because total expenditure can be calculated when price is multiplied by quantity. Either base year price or base year quantity, current year price or current year quantity. Then for the calculation of price is equal to total expenditure divided by quantity. And next one is, if we have to calculate quantity, then total expenditure will be divided by price. Now first of all do calculate base year quantity. So when total expenditure will be divided by base year price, that would be 30, 10, 15 and last one is 20. For the calculation of current year price, which is 12, 11, 10 and last one is 7. Next we have to calculate P0 Q0 or P1 Q1. Two calculations are already calculated here because total expenditure is the summation of P0 or Q0. So no need to calculate again. Then similarly this current year, in this current year, total expenditure is the summation of, is the multiplication of P1 Q1. And we have to calculate, and we are writing down summation P0 Q0 is equal to 630. Similarly, summation P1 Q1 is equal to 960. Next we have to calculate P0 Q1 and next one is P1 Q0. For the calculation of P0 Q1, this is 135. Next one is 160 and last one is 150. Then we have to calculate P1 Q0. 360, 110, 150 and last one is 140. So sigma P0 Q1 is equal to 795 and sigma P1 Q0 is equal to 760. So for the calculation of number 1, Fisher's index number. Fisher's index number is equal to P01 is equal to sigma P1 by sigma P0 Q0 base year quantity multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 a whole under root or multiplied by 100 is equal to P1 Q0, that is 760 divided by P0 Q0 is equal to 630 multiplied by P1 Q0 is equal to 960 divided by P0 Q1 is equal to 795 under root multiplied by 100. So 760 divided by 630 will be 1.20 under root multiplied by 960 divided by 795, 1.20 under root multiplied by 100, which is equivalent to 1.20 multiplied by 100 is equal to 120. So 120 will be the value of Fisher's index number. Next we have to calculate Lespiers method. For the calculation of Lespiers method, price index of base or current year is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by 100 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 is equal to 760 divided by P0 Q0 is equal to 630 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1.2063 multiplied by 100 is equal to 120.63 will be the answer of Lespiers method. Next we have to calculate Poiseuille's method. For the calculation of Poiseuille's method, price index of base or current year is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100 is equal to P1 Q0 is equal to 960 divided by sigma P0 Q1. P0 Q1 is equal to 795 or multiplied by 100 is equal to 1.2075 multiplied by 100 is equal to 120.75 will be the answer of Poiseuille's method. So approximately all the values are 120. Lespiers method, Poiseuille's or Fisher's index number values are 120. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to index number. Thank you.